Hey everyone, what's going on? Jason here in the garage. Just doing a quick video on hooking up a external microphone to your GoPro Media Mod. The Media Mod, if you're not familiar with it, has built-in front and rear microphone, as well as an HDMI output, a USB-C input, and a microphone input. The Media Mod is really handy for running an external battery, as well as running an external mic. On the Media Mod itself, you know, it's got this front camera, this front microphone, rear microphone. I believe this is also a microphone. So if I'm using it in the garage when I have real controlled acoustics and there's not a whole lot of ambient noise, I'll put it on the setting that they call stereo, which uses basically all three of these microphones. When I'm on the motorcycle, my camera's mounted to my chin bar. I've been using it on this rear microphone input, but it still doesn't pick up my voice quite as well as I thought. So that's where the Purple Panda lapel mic comes in. I bought this off Amazon, you know, no affiliation. It gets good reviews and it's not super expensive. It comes with a few things. It comes with an extension cord for the microphone itself, which is great. It comes with a higher quality wind muff or windscreen for the lapel mic. It comes with the lapel mic itself, obviously, and it has just kind of your standard foam. When I put it in the motorcycle, I'm going to use this one because there's going to be a lot more potential for wind to cause wind noise. Let's see what else to come up. I'm kind of tangled up here. And it comes with a splitter, with the idea being you can use it for, like, when you're using the microphone, you can put in headphones and hear what you're recording. So one thing to point out, this microphone was not a direct plug and play for the GoPro Media Mod. These three lines here, these lines are, you know, two of them are for the audio and one is for a microphone. And so this microphone is actually used in conjunction with headphones and a microphone. This is what they call a TRRS microphone. The input on your Media Mod is not compatible with that TRRS 1/8 inch input. So what you have to do is you have to go back on Amazon and buy one of these. This is a TRRS female to TRS male. And if you notice on this one, there's only two black bands as opposed to three on the one that comes with the Purple Panda microphone. So the one with three is your TRRS, the one with two is your TRS, and the Media Mod for the GoPro is only TRS compatible. You have to get a female TRRS to male TRS to make this work. All right, so this is audio on the GoPro Media Mod set to stereo mode. Remember, I pointed out the stereo mode basically uses three microphones on the Media Mod microphone. When you're in a controlled environment where there's not a whole lot of ambient noise, you can use it and it works really great. That way you're picking up audio from behind the camera as well as in front of the camera. If you were outside, I definitely would not use the stereo mode. It would pick up too much ambient noise, road noise, wind noise, that type of thing. So if you're using it outside, I would definitely select it to front microphone or rear microphone only. And like I mentioned, I've been using it on the motorcycle with the microphone set to rear. And now here's audio with the Purple Panda lapel mic wired to the GoPro Media Mod. And remember, you have to use that TRRS to TRS adapter to make the Purple Panda microphone work with the GoPro Media Mod. Even though we're in a controlled environment and you can use the stereo microphone, I still prefer the sound and audio quality of a lapel microphone. That way the audio stays consistent. If I need to move the camera around or if I move the camera further away from me or closer to me, the audio really stays consistent. So if you're doing any type of recording with a GoPro in a controlled setting, a lapel mic is definitely the way to go. But this is the audio with the Media Mod hooked up with the Purple Panda lapel mic with the TRRS to TRS adapter. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw the microphone in my helmet and I'm going to test the audio with and without the microphone while wearing the helmet and then while wearing the helmet and riding, so we can get a good feel for the differences in audio between using the rear facing microphone and the lapel mic on the GoPro Media Mod. All right, helmet audio test number one. This is just using the rear microphone on the GoPro Media Mod with the GoPro mounted to the chin bar of my helmet. As you can see, it's not too bad, but it's definitely lacking. The vocals could be a lot clearer. But yeah, this is just the GoPro Media Mod rear facing microphone. And helmet audio test number 2. This is utilizing the Purple Panda Lapel mic hooked up to the GoPro Media Mod with the camera mounted on the chin bar of the helmet. As you can see, the vocals are a lot more clear. I'm hoping when I'm riding, it's a noticeable difference, but still picks up like the engine noise and stuff like that. But this is the lapel mic hooked up to the GoPro Media Mod. So this is ride audio with the GoPro Media Mod set to rear camera while I'm riding. I'm sorry, GoPro Media Mod set to rear microphone while I'm riding. So compared to the, we'll see how this compares to the lapel mic hooked up to the Media Mod. All right, so I'm testing out the lapel microphone while I'm riding. Hopefully the vocals are a lot better, but we're at Penrose, Colorado. It's a cold December day. It was half snowing, half raining just a few minutes ago. The sun came out just in time for us to start riding, but it's cold today. It's got to be low 30s right now. So, well, let me know what you think of this this microphone. Hopefully it makes a difference. And I'll put a link in the description to the microphone I bought. I bought it off Amazon, so there's like no affiliation or whatever. But yeah,